So, Jade, what goes through your mind while performing? What is going on with your emotions?
I don't know. When I first started playing, I was so anxious. The first set, I almost threw up, and this whole excitement and extreme emotions. It was with me for a lot of years, but now I don't really have that anymore. I'm still really happy to play out, and I get the vibes, and I dance a little bit and whatnot, but I don't get that really nervous thing that I used to, which is nice because it's more professional, but I miss it a little bit actually.
Why do you miss it?
Because it was, when the first time when you do something, it's always more exciting, and when you do it 1,000 times, even though you still love to do it, it's definitely gonna be different no matter what. So yeah, that's why I'm a little bit nostalgic about it.
And what about after a set? What do you enjoy? What do you like to do after?
It very much depends on the party. Like sometimes I play like 8 in the morning. After that, I only enjoy going back to the hotel as soon as possible. Sometimes the party finishes earlier, and then whatever the night brings, that happens too.
And label Eat Brain, what does your label look for in a new drum and bass artist, and what qualities do they have to have?
When it comes to music, it's always two major factors. What's there musically, and how does it sound? And these two factors are equally important. And a lot of artists don't possess the skills to make both. But we definitely look for artists who can do it all. The sound design, the mix down mastering, and the musical content is already there. I don't really like to interfere with musical content. If it's not there musically, the vibe is not what I'm looking for, then I'm passing on it. But if the sound engineering side is a little bit off, then I'm usually getting into a feedback loop with the artist, and we figure it out together. So there's the two things, and the one is not fixable, and the other is absolutely fixable. So that's our process.
And what are your current favorite sort of drum and bass artists, maybe?
Oh, it's always a tough question because I'm friends with basically everyone in the scene. So who do I say? Who do I miss? Well, my best friend, Mindscape, who've been working together for 20 years, has been always making crazy stuff, and he just sent me a track today before I launched from the studio. I just downloaded 5 minutes before getting into the car, so that's something I really like. From the newer guys, there's somebody in Hungary called Livian. He had a few releases on Eat Brain already, but the new stuff he's having right now is absolutely mind-blowing. So It's gonna be great. There's this guy from the Czech Republic. He's also super young, called Slowdown. He's making some really epic and unique drum and bass as well. I could go on until morning. One of my favorites are Synergy, for example. They did a remix for Noisier recently, which completely blows away the competition on the whole remix album. I could mention a few old school guys, like Audio is on fire these days. He just posted. These are my top 10 for the month, and it's like all his tracks, and all are super new and crazy as well. So yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
I hope you enjoy your time here at Kunigunda.